Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier than hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And you know what? I'm stuck inside. Imagine that. Actually, I've been stuck inside now since 2018. I've made a lot of videos. I have been working on business papers. So I have not been able to make videos. I've not been riding my bike, and I'm not a YouTuber type. So I only make videos when I'm like, oh, here's a thing that I found out and I want everybody to know about. So most of my videos are reviews or something I found out on my bike. So I have not. I've not been riding, so I haven't been making videos. There's no hit and run videos. There's no me helping out homeless folk videos because I've been in here, just in this room. 98% of the time for the last since August of 2018. I was working on a jewelry business for a while. Then I switched to graphic design because I'm more into that anyway. At the beginning of the year, switched to graphic design. So I've just been focused on that. And I've literally just been sitting here in my studio working on stuff, trying to figure out how the internet works because I saw all my stuff on the internet. And so, yeah, I have not been able to make a lot of videos here for this channel. Because I haven't been biking. But, there is a video that I have been wanting to make, and I know you guys are all stuck inside here waiting for the storm to pass, shall we say. So, what I wanted to do was hook a camera onto the back of my bike, and I've already tried this a couple times, I just couldn't get the angle right, and show you all about hand signals. Hand signals. So, what I've been finding is that when I'm riding my bike, so everything's going to be pantomime. It's all going to be pantomime because I'm not going out there. So, what I found is that when I ride my bike and I use the hand signals that were taught in school, stop, right, left, and is that it? That's all you got. That's all they get. They get to stop, the right and left. Because first of all, that's not enough information. I'm doing a lot of stuff on my bike, and I'm not just stopping or turning right or turning left. This makes sense. Left, that makes sense. This looks, okay. So, and the thing is that I've used my hand signals. I use my hand signals all the time. All the time that you're supposed to use your hand signals, I use my hand signals. I like to use my hand signal. I think it's part of my whole routine. So, I don't mind using them. But I found that, I've done this before, and people are like, fuck you too, buddy. So, I'm like, what is your... So, people don't know what this is. If you're riding your bike, and then all of a sudden you do this, they're going to have to, they got to go back to grade school in their heads and say, I just hated Mrs. Appleby anyway. So here's the thing, is that this is good to know, but I've elaborated my personal hand signals to make it super, super obvious for everybody what I'm about to do, and I use them all the time. I always use my hand signals. Now, I know... as far as I can tell, most bicyclers never use their hand signals. And I think it's because they're stupid. What am I, a robot? A breakdance. What? Oh, right, hand signals. So I'm going to go through the hand signals that I use whenever I ride. And there's a whole bunch of them. So I'll try to remember them all. And first I'll do the replacement hand signals for the ones that they taught us in school. And I'll move on to the ones that I've invented myself. Okay, so I'm all stand over here because you guys need to see my full arm there. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm so sore. Okay, and I gained some weight. I gained a little weight. I'm not happy about it. I do need to do something about this. Not only have I gained weight, but then I gained weight on top of that. So I hit my my peak, and then I went over my peak. So I'm bigger than I've ever been. So deal with it, people. Oh, chill. Okay, what was I talking about? Right, hand signals. Here we go. All right, so the first one, let's start with one left. This left. This is left hand turn. Okay. So, making a left hand turn. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. See this? This is my finger. All right. Right. This is what you call when about 50% of humanity understands what pointing is. The other 50%. I got no excuse for them. But most reasonable people know that when you're pointing, that you're referencing something beyond your finger, right? In that direction, in a parallel direction with your finger, that somewhere beyond the point is the thing that you are trying to reference. If you don't know that, that's the thing. When people are pointing at stuff, somebody's like, hey, if anybody has ever said to you, hey, no, look at my finger, they're pointing, and that's what that's for. They're trying to address the area beyond the tip of the finger and parallel with the length. A little free lesson for you. Okay, so hand signals. All right, this is what I do. I point. I say, I'm going this way. I'm riding along, yar, right? And then I say, I ride along. And then I'm like, yo, bang, I am going this way, right? I'll do this, right? And then when I actually make the turn, I'll do this. So, ride along with me. All right, it's like this. Whoa! And then I make my turn, right? If I think people aren't paying attention, right? I'll go drastic. Yo, I'm going here. Yo, I'm going here. Here is where I'm going. Lean into it so they know. Even circle the spot. I'm going here. And then I go, right? Okay. That's one. That's left hand turn. Left hand turn. What is it? Boom. Stick your finger out. I'm going this way. Why am I doing this? Movement, right? Stick your hand out. Okay, now they got this stiff thing. They're kind of like, what's that guy doing with his arm? You go like this. Oh, it's movement. I'm going this way. Oh, okay, so that's your first one. Boom, and use it. So when you're making a left-hand turn, do this. If you don't want to, just stick your finger out. That's fine, just stick your finger out. Right? But point. Do a little movement. I'm out of breath. Oh. Okay. Second one, right-hand turn. This one, no. What am I, pledging allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag, the bicyclers, the old of America. What are you talking about this? Nobody knows what this is. People don't know what this is. I'm telling you, I use this all the time. People are like, what's he doing, Sam? I don't know. Anyway, point is, people don't know what this is. People don't know what this is. Thinking again, they got to go back. They got to go back to grade school. Okay, when I was first riding, they had an assembly. We were in the gymnasium, and they had a cone set up under there. That's the picture. Okay, so, all right, this is what I do. I do this. Right. So you got this, right? You got this, and then you got this. Boom, going that way. I'm going that way, all right? And again, I'm moving my arm because people are like, what? What's that, something moving? What is that? What's going on over here? Movement's big. Color's good, being seen, something nice and colorful, but movement's good. People track movement. Okay, so next one we got, stop. What is that? That's what I do. I just stop, but I'll do this. Get a little over. Get on my. Hi everybody. So we got stop. All right, and so stop. Stop is supposed to be this. This is stop. Hey everybody, look at me. Whoa, that's crazy. No, look, this is stop, and there's not much you can do. But I lean into it. I go like this. Yo, stop. I'm stopping. Stop. Again with the movement. Stop. So, again, right along. Boom. Hey, stopping. I lean into it. I want them to know, yo, I'm stopping. You're stopping too. From the back, they're seeing this. Whoa. Right? So they got to look. Oh, is he following what's going on? They have to pay attention. Make them look. Because they ain't going to look otherwise. Okay. So those are three big ones. This is the ones I touch in school. And, yeah, stop. You can't do much except for stick your hand down there, waggle it. Okay, so then I got this one. So a lot of times, I will have somebody see them in my rearview mirror, and it's tight street, whatever, and they won't want to pass me. So they'll be riding in my blind spot, just dogging my blind spot. And I'm like, I'll look and I'll look and I'll look and I'll slow down a little. And if they slow down, then I'll do this. This is the other thing I'll do. Somebody ride my blind spot. All right, this is what I'll get. I'll get one of these. Get one of these. You, hey, you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Street's for you. You. Go ahead. And if they don't pass, then I just slam on the brakes. Now I had them slam on the brakes too. Whatever. In any case, I gave them the opportunity. Go. Whole roads for you, people. Whole roads for you. Go ahead and go. Right? If I'm going straight through, I'll point I'm going straight through. I'm going straight through. Here we go. Going through. Done that a lot. Like, boop. I see there's like something going on. I'm like, I'm going straight through. Here we go. All right. I'll make this one my last one. All right. So a lot of times I'll have people and they'll say, go ahead. And I'm like, no, I got a stop sign. You don't have a stop sign. You go ahead. So that's the first one. That's the first one for that situation. Because let me tell you what, to be safe, I don't want to put myself in front of someone else's car, right? So what they're doing is they're saying, yeah, you go ahead and then I'm going to ride your ass for 20 minutes. No, you go. So that's what I do. I'm on my bike, right? They make it look like they're waiting for me. I go, nope, you go. Go ahead. You go, right? And then they go like, no, you go. And then I do this. I say, no, you go. I put my hands up in the air. Like I am not riding my bicycle. Put my feet on the ground. I put my hands in the air. And I do this. You go. Whole roads for you. Go ahead, go. And eventually they go. Because I'm not going to go. I am not going to put my bicycle in front of another vehicle when I can just wait for them. Because they're about to hit 30. I know they're being nice, but they're not thinking it through. So I let them go. So that's the last one I'm going to give you now. You go. I go. You go. Whole road's for you. Go ahead, you go. It's for you. Okay, that's it. I've been wanting to make this video for a while, but I wanted to do it on my bike. Yeah, I need to clean up around here. It's a little messy. Whatever. It's none of your business. But that's it. So when you do get the chance to go out and ride, use those hand signals. And if you're not going to use those hand signals, use any hand signals. Indicate where you're going. And I know most of you drive cars too. So there's this cool little lever. There's driving wheel there. And then on the, it's always on the left-hand side. And if you just stick your pinky out just a wee bit and do like that, you can indicate to the people around you what you're doing next so they can give you room to do it. They come on most cars. Most cars have. You check it out. Okay, that's it. If I can get another video out while we're all in lockdown, I'll do it. I know that people need to be entertained, and I'm not claiming to be entertaining, but that's it's something. It's content, right? So I hope you're all well. I will see if I got some. And you guys, if there's another video that you guys think that you would like to see that I haven't covered, or you want more information, if you guys have a question and I don't know the answer, and you put it in the thing down there in the thing and the like and the subscribe, I'll go find it out because I get curious. Somebody asks me something, I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, but now I wonder. Thanks, guys. In any case, any questions you have, go down there here to Super Tank and do the thing. Click it. There's a bell. Apparently, there's a bell. I don't know if you need that, but yeah, click stuff. Otherwise, this is where I would promote my website, Barco Toy Company. But what? Oh, the big but what? I'm not selling nothing. So, what I do is I make graphics and I put them on. I make graphics and then I upload those graphics to the internet. And then there's a print company that then makes those things for me and ships them out. And personally, I just don't want anybody having to make anything for me. I make goofy clown drawings and put them on t-shirts. So I mean, I don't want to have somebody risk their life to print my clown t-shirt and then ship it off and then have somebody else risk their life to ship. So in any case, my business is shut down until further notice. I'm going to put the link down there because I got a blog. I got a blog on it, and that blog has some weird stuff. So the blog has some weird stuff. You want to check out my weird stuff, go to my blog, and then you check it out when I open it up. Eventually, I'll open it up again, and this video will probably still be on the internet because I'm probably not going to delete it. So yeah, check out my website. See, maybe I'm open by now, but at the time of this taping, I'm closed down until further notice. Any case, I don't know. Like and subscribe. Ride safe, be seen, have fun. Wash your hands, people. Wash your hands.